Very happy. Now, guys, we were working with what we had. I have closed. I think that item. We worked with the Beata's theorem.
Yes.
And we worked with till now I'm talking about quadratics, solving quadratic equations, and different methods we gave. We had factorization, we had quadratic formula, and now till now we had the equation and we were finding the roots. Now with this part, if we will have the roots, how we'll find the equation? Hello.
Sorry for being late.
No problem. So till now, as I said, we had given equation and then we're finding the roots. Here we'll have roots, we'll find the equation. We'll go backwards. Now only I want to ask you about deriving. Do you know what does mean deriving in English? I mean,
No.
Deriving. Who knows? No? It's
Giving something?
It's like finding, forming. Directly the dictionary says.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Obtain something from a specific source. You know, you are finding, you are taking, you are forming something new, you know. So deriving quadratic equation means we will find the quadratic equation, we will make the quadratic equation, okay? Now here, as you see, this is, you can write this one, I mean later or now if you're writing, when you have the roots x1 and x2, if the roots are given, we know from the Vieta's theorem that x1 plus x2 is minus b over a, x1 times x2 is equal to c over a. And with this knowledge, we can write the new formula for the quadratic equation, and the formula will be this one, if you can see. This one is the formula. X squared is equal minus x1 plus x2 times x plus x1 times x2 is equal to 0. So this formula will give you the quadratic equation, okay? Did you understand what I mean?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now you will see in the example, it will be better. I mean, more understandable with the example. Now here, as you see, if we have, it says find the quadratic equation whose roots are, it is -1 and 5. So if the roots are given, let's say x1 is -1 and x2 is 5. Then from here, we'll have x1 plus x2, which is -1 plus 5, which will be 4, and x1 times x2 will be
-5.
1 times 5, which will be -5. Now, according to our formula, x squared minus x1 plus x2 x plus x1 times x2.
x1 times x1, teacher.
But it's written wrong. It's x2. It has
okay.
Okay. X squared minus what we found as x1 plus x2, it is 4x plus what we found x1 times x2 minus 5. So it will be plus minus 5. And then our equation will be x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, this is the thing that we were talking about, deriving quadratic equation. Roots are given, we're finding the equation. Now, if you don't remember the formula, if you cannot remember the formula, how we are finding this formula, I will show you. We have, in generally, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It's the general form, standard form of a quadratic equation, yes?
Yes.
Now, if I will divide all the equation by a, x squared plus b over a, I will have, yes, here, because
B over
a is 1, b over a, x, plus c over a, I will get 0 over a will be 0. Now, c over a, b over a is very familiar to me, yes, from Vieta's theorem. But only in Vieta's theorem, we have x1 plus x2 as minus b over a. x1 times x2, it is c over a. So instead of c over a and b over a in this equation, if I will write x1 plus x2, only here, when I will multiply by minus 1, I will get
plus.
minus x1 plus x2 is equal to b over a, yes? Now, in this equation, I'm writing x squared, b over a is minus x1 plus x2, then I have x, and plus, instead of c over a, I will write this one, which is x1 times x2 is equal to 0. So this is the formula, how it comes, okay?
But teacher, if it is asked to find the A,
How you mean a?
for example, we divide it by A to find the equation. But if after finding it asks A,
Here, as you see, we are finding a directly. Here, a is 1, for example. When you are
always it will be 1, right?
not always. It won't be always 1. We'll see more questions. Okay.
Okay.
The formula, did you understand how we get formula?
Yes.
If you cannot remember directly the formula, you don't have to do all these steps always. The formula that you will use is this one. X squared is minus x1 plus x2, x plus x1 times x2.
So teacher, we can use direct this. We don't have to do.
Yes. Only I showed you how it is, found.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe someone doesn't remember or cannot, make by heart. So you can do the steps if you will remember the steps, if you have understood. Okay. If it is okay, I will continue to the next page.
It's okay.
Okay. Now here we have some questions. And it says, find a quadratic equation whose only root is 1 over 3. We have only one root. If we have only one root, how we call it? Do you remember? Double root?
Double root.
Double root, yeah.
Double root means that it is x1 is equal to x2, and here it's given that it is 1 over 3. So x1 plus x2 will be 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3 it will be. And x1 times x2 will be 1 over 3 times 1 over 3, which will be 1 over 9. Now, do I know x1 plus x2? Yes, x1 times x2.
Yes.
Now, our formula, x squared minus x1 plus x2x plus x1 times x2 is equal to 0. X squared minus 2 over 3x plus 1 over 9 to 0. You can left it like this. You can leave this one like this. Or we can do, not to have fractions here, I can multiply all the equation by 9. And I will get 9x squared, 9 and minus 9 times 2 over 3x plus 9 times 1 over 9 is equal to 0. These two will go here, you will have 3. These two will go here, you will have 1. So 9x squared minus 3 times 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. See, Salman, here you are finding
Yeah.
the A. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, while you're writing, and if you have written, or if you're not writing right now, You can try to solve this second exercise, and I will take the attendance in that time. Yesterday, I started a series to watch a serial, and it's really interesting. If you're interested with the medicine, I mean, being doctor, you can watch it.
Which serial, teacher?
What's it called?
New Amsterdam in Netflix.
I'm finished. With
Really?
Yeah.
Yesterday I saw the teaser of it, you know, and it was interesting. And from yesterday, I'm like all the time watching that one. It's really interesting. Yes, Yusuf is here.
Here, Yusuf, here.
Here. Aferin Yusuf'a. Bir iki ders girer, bir iki ders yok. Anita?
I am here.
Alexander?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, Alexander, you're not talking these last lessons. What happened?
What, teacher?
I mean, you're not that active. You were more active in the other lessons. This week,
Teacher, I am ill because of that.
Eva?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, Elza?
Here, teacher.
Amra?
I'm here.
Okay. Yona?
Here.
Stephanie?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Kibariye?
Here.
Okay. Tringa?
I'm here.
Okay. Ardita?
I am here.
Arta?
I'm here.
Okay. Yovana?
I'm here.
Okay. Besa?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Stanislav?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Rümeysa?
I'm here.
Okay. Sara?
I'm here.
Okay. Ermal?
I'm here.
Okay. Hamza? Besan?
I'm here.
Teacher, I found
What you found, Salman?
x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0.
X squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Did someone else find the same thing?
I got the same.
Giovanna got the same. Anyone else? No?
I didn't do it, teacher. My mom called me.
Okay. So how we'll do? Let's do it together right now.
Should we write x1 plus x2?
Yeah. X1
Okay.
plus X2.
X1 plus X2 is equal to, what is our X1? Let's say this one is X1.
Yeah.
2
2
plus
plus
root
Root of 3.
plus 2 minus root 3.
the roots are cancelled because minus
Yes.
plus.
Yes. We have 4. Then X1 times X2, we have 2 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3.
Teacher, we know from property that it is 2 square minus root of 3.
Yes, we have the identity or the property. Then this
Is 4 minus 3.
yes,
4
4
minus
minus
3.
1. Yes.
3. 4 minus 3, teacher.
Yeah, it's sorry. Yes, it's 3. And it is 1. Then our formula x squared minus x1 plus x2x plus x1 times x2 is equal to 0. Then x squared minus,
we get x squared minus
yes, 4x plus the 1
1 is
is equal to 0. Okay, so we understood, I think, this one.
Yes.
yes, teacher.
Okay. I'm continuing to the next one if it is okay, if you don't have any question.
Yes, teacher, it's okay.
Okay. The others who is not answering at all to any question, I hope that it is okay. Guys.
Yes, teacher, it is okay.
It's
Okay.
okay.
Because now here we have participants 22. One is me, 21. And I am moving according to 3 people when they are saying okay, yes, no. The others, I don't know. So I hope it's okay for all of
Teacher, in this question, we can find by factorizing or by the quadratic formula,
Look
the
here.
x1 and x2.
No, here we have something else.
What?
One equation is given.
Yeah.
We are trying to find another equation whose roots are related to the roots of this equation.
Yeah, but first we should find the roots of this one.
Yes. We should find the roots of the given equation. Here you can use any method to find the roots, which one you want. For example, when I saw the equation directly, I saw that I can factorize it. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
So it will be x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x, 4, 1. I have minus 3. To get minus 3?
Minus 4, yeah.
4.
The bigger number.
Yes. Then x minus 4 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x1 will be 4 from here. x2 will be minus 1.
And the roots of the other one will be 5 and 0.
Yes. So let's say the roots of the other equation is x3, which will be 5, and x4, which will be 0. Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0 because it says one more. Now, x3 plus x4 will be 5 plus 0, 5. x3 times x4 will be 5 times 0,
0.
0.
Then our equation will be x squared minus x3 plus x4 x plus x3 times x4 is equal to 0. Then we have x squared minus 5x plus 0 is 0. Then x squared minus 5x is equal to 0 is the equation that we are looking for. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Look the other question.
Teacher, what is symmetric here? Because you told us
I
about
wanted to ask
arithmetic and geometry.
Symmetric roots. Symmetric.
Roots, okay.
What do you think? What can be symmetric roots?
I'm not sure, teacher. I know it's only geometry part when you have to, it has to be symmetrical.
For example, I'm drawing a
Yeah.
coordinated
Okay,
plane.
okay.
If here I have 1, the symmetry of this one will be?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay.
So symmetric roots are if one of them is, let's say x1 is a, x2 will be?
Minus A?
Minus a. Okay. The equation has symmetric roots. Find them. Now, what do you think? What we'll use here?
The Vieta's theorem.
Vieta's theorem. Let's try the Vieta's theorem. x1 plus x2 is minus b over a. And our b here is k plus 4. K plus 4 over 1 look, this minus will affect, it will be minus k minus 4. And because the roots are symmetric, x1 plus x2 will be?
x1 plus x. It will be plus
Plus
4.
four.
Plus 4.
But we have the k as well.
Plus 4, what will be plus 4?
The x1, teacher, I don't know.
If the roots are symmetric, we said that if x1 is a, x2 will be minus a. Their sum what will be? I'm asking. Sum of x1 plus x2. If they are symmetric.
0.
Yes, it will be 0. Then we have 0 is equal to minus k minus 4. Yes?
Yes.
When I will take
K
k
is
to the other
K
side,
is 4.
k is minus.
Minus 4, yeah.
If k is minus 4, when I will write instead of the equation, x squared plus minus 4 plus 4x and plus here we have not plus but minus will be because this k is minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then this part is already
0.
0. So we have x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. Then the roots will be x squared is equal to 8 x plus or minus root of 8. Yes? So x1 is equal to root of x2 will be minus root of 8. Yes?
Teacher, why
See
root?
there? Because I'm taking the square root.
Okay.
I have x squared here.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay. You can write this one, you can leave this one like root of 8, or you can do like 2 root 2, and this one minus 2 root 2. As you see, they are symmetric. Okay?
It's okay.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm continuing to the next one. Ready?
Teacher, wait 1 minute, please.
Okay. I'm waiting. When you will be ready, please tell me.
I'm finished. It's okay.
Okay. Now here you have some more questions. I'm giving you time to solve the B here.
If the roots are good.
Because when you will see the fractions directly, you will see that it's very hard and that maybe you cannot solve. Let's try, okay?
We should do it alone?
Mm-hmm.
Teacher, I found.
Okay, the others?
Teacher, I am working on it.
Okay, I will wait.
Teacher, I found 2 solutions, one with fraction, one without fraction.
Okay. Like we did in the other.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Also, I finished.
Okay. I was trying to find in quizzes some quiz about quadratics, but we'll do later. So Giovanna, how we'll do this one?
For first, we x1 plus x2
Okay,
will be 1/2 plus 3/2,
okay.
which is 4/2, which is 2.
Which is 2, okay.
After that, x1 times x2 will be 1/2 times 3/2, and it will be 3/4.
Yes.
And from the formula, x squared minus x1 plus x2 times x
Yes.
plus x1 times x2 is equal to 0. We will get x squared minus
Yes.
2x plus 3/4 is equal to 0.
Yes. This one can be one solution, or
You can multiply by 4 to.
yes, we can multiply by 4 and we'll get 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 is
X
equal to.
plus 3.
Okay. Did you get the other ones the same thing?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, teacher.
Did we understand now if we have given the roots, how we'll find the equation?
Yes.
It's clear. Yes.
Okay, let's see the other questions. Find the quadratic equation whose sum of the roots is -2 and product of the roots is. So here, as you can see,
Directly, teacher.
it's given directly.
Yeah.
We will write x squared minus will be +2x
Plus 2x.
plus 5 is equal to 0 will be our equation. Here, the third and the fourth one is like we solved this one here. The roots are related to another equation. The roots of the equation are x1 and x2. Find the equation whose roots are x3 and x4 such that x3 is 2x1, x4 is 2x2. So you will find the x1 and x2 from this equation. You will write here and then again formula. It's okay?
And also the fourth one is the same like that.
Yes, also the fourth one, you have the same thing. Okay, let's see what we have more here. Do you want to solve an equation from here? You can check.
D.
I know that you will ask for D. So let's read the question. The roots of each given equation are x1 and x2. The roots of this given equation is x1 and x2. Write a new equation with roots x3 and x4. Now, let's see what we can do. Let me take this one here. So our equation is x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here, how we'll find the roots? Yeah, Salma, you choose the easiest one, you know?
I didn't check the others, teacher. I just thought this.
And this one, yes, how I will find the roots of this equation?
By factorizing.
Yes, how will factorize?
X and
minus 1 minus 1.
Yeah.
Minus 1 minus 1. So as you can see here, we'll have x minus 1, x minus 1. So x1 as 1, x2 as 1. Double root we have here. Now let's find the x3. x3 is 1 square over 1, which will be 1. x4 will be 1 square over 1, which will be 1 again. Then we'll have x3 plus x4, which will be 1 plus 1 is 2. x3 times x4 1 times 1, it is 1. Now our new equation will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. It's okay?
Yes, teacher.
Did
Yes,
you
teacher.
understand?
Yeah.
Hi, Stanislav. It's okay?
I do. Yes, teacher, it's great.
Okay, Stanislav.
Sunny weather outside. Oh,
If you're saying that it's okay, it's okay. I trust you. Yes, guys, do you have any question about this?
No, teacher.
No?
I don't.
no, teacher, I don't.
Neither,
You
teacher.
don't have?
It's clear.
It's clear. Erman, what about you?
Yes, teacher.
It's okay?
Yes.
No, Elmo is lying, teacher.
Erman is lying.
Yes.
So 2 minutes
No,
ago,
I'm not.
I said that if Stanislav says like that, it's like that. Now, what I can say?
I heard Elmo's voice. I heard fear in that voice, teacher. So yeah.
Stanislav, don't expose me.
Oh, Elmo. Ai na cafe Bogota.
Eine Kaffee, baby. You're not calling me for coffee. You're going outside, but
Teacher,
you're not calling.
We will come in
come
British.
to for coffee. You have coffee mat there or no?
Kaffee mat? What you
Yes, teacher.